To our continued coverage now of the situation in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The police believe the recent shooting of a relative of a gang member has led to the heightened hostility in the old capital. O'Shane Masters now reports.
Communities within the Spanish Town area are still tense this afternoon following the recent increase in murders. Over the last 3 weeks, there have been heightened tension in the St. John's Road and Homestead areas. But on Tuesday, that gang war spilled over into the parish capital. 6 persons were shot, 2 fatally by gunmen and 1 individual by the police. The Member of Parliament for St. Catherine Central, Olivia Grange, has since condemned the incident.
But what we're experiencing is people driving into the constituency and shooting at innocent individuals and other persons, and this is now creating greater tension.
Since Tuesday, a curfew has been imposed in a number of communities. But even with the curfew in place, a woman was killed last night in the community of Homestead. She has been identified as 44-year-old Nikisha Pottinger. It's understood that the woman was told by the police to stay away from Homestead following a recent fatal shooting. Her fiancé, however, says that's not true. The man, who did not want to appear on camera, told us that Nikisha received several gunshots as she tried to run away from the gunmen last night. He told our news team that he was the one who rushed her to hospital. Overcome with tears, he recounted her last words.
She said that tell the kids them she love them. Because I thought she was going to make it, But it seemed like she didn't. She knew she was going to make it. She said, tell the kids them I love them. And I must remember the promise I made her 15 years ago. So I must behave, keep myself out of certain things.
All right.
But it's hard to keep that promise. No.
In the meantime, National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang is not ruling out an extension of the curfew in the Market District in Spanish Town. The 48-hour curfew expires at 6 o'clock this evening.
I have the authority to extend it for a further 48 hours. If the leadership of the force requires it, it will be given. That's the call of the security forces. So the idea of a curfew is to literally put some calm in the situation, restore some stability, and then give the security force some space to investigate and find some of the miscreants out there.
O'Shane Masters, TVJ News.